Hi, this is Don McAllister and welcome to another weekly tip video. Well, something different this week as I take a look at a very useful website aimed at people who are considering buying or upgrading something from Apple. The specific website is the Buyer's Guide over at MacRumors.com. One of the issues with buying anything from Apple is knowing when to buy. There is a school of thought that says just buy something when you need it, but it can be useful to assess the likelihood of when a product might be updated, especially if you don't follow the Apple news. And that's where MacRumors Buyer's Guide comes in. So this is the Buyer's Guide over at buyersguide.macrumors.com. And just a word of warning, I am recording this tip several weeks in advance of releasing this particular tip video, so the information that you see might be slightly out of date, so go ahead to buyersguide.macrumors.com to get the latest information. So if we scroll down, you'll see there are 3 tabs here: iPhone, iPad, Macs, Watch and Other. And just below there is a summary of the current status of whether or not you should buy these particular devices. Now, I have to say that these are based on rumours, on speculation, but also on experience as well. Apple do have some quite clearly defined product life cycles, so some of these can be very accurate, some of them are just guesstimates as to when new products might be made available to you. But you can see here, that's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from ScreenCastsOnline. ScreenCastsOnline is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only ScreenCastsOnline Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital ScreenCastsOnline monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit ScreenCastsOnline.com today and become a ScreenCastsOnline member.